For how many years you were running before COVID said stop it?
COVID has happened now, 2020. So I've been running from 2012. So it's almost 8 years I've been running now.
Do you feel restless now?
Definitely, I mean, I want to run, but see, like, I mean, I cannot run on the road. I mean, the roads are not open yet. And always, I mean, it adds pressure in terms when you don't run on the road. But now we manage that differently. We try to do some, I mean, strength training exercises, cardio exercises. So for the first 2 months, I mean, the March and April went doing more on strength training, indoor exercises, keeping ourselves fit to maintain, I mean, to maintain the fitness level. But the urge to run always was there. So I started focusing on adding some, I mean, from the strength training, I added some routines to build my cardio and running form. So we call that as the running drills. We started doing that on my terrace. So for that I needed some warm up to be done. So I started doing about 15 minutes, 20 minutes run on a 16-meter track. I mean, I call that as a 16-meter track on my terrace. So in a shape of 8, I just started doing run for 15 minutes. So I found that comfortable. I was able to run comfortably, and no loading on the muscles. The biomechanics was good. Like as a normal road running, I felt the same conditions. Only thing is, I mean, I was running a bit slow. Perfectly all right. I mean, we used to monitor our heart rate. While running. So the heart rate which I was monitoring was comfortable. I mean, it was not overshooting. I thought, why not try running for more hours? So then slowly increased it to half an hour, slowly 45 minutes. And now, I mean, I run close to about 1 hour, 15 minutes on the terrace itself. So the whole of July and I mean August now, I mean, is focused on running and on the terrace. The one change I made is earlier I used to run only about 3 or 4 days in a week. Now I run all 7 days with added flexibility exercises. I find that good. I mean, as a process, I mean, we listen to the body, we understand that body. So I find, I mean, things are comfortable. Gradually, I'm trying to figure out how best I can make use of this opportunity to better this situation. So as a runner, the moment you are put in a challenge, you try to find solution for that. So that's what I've done. And I mean, I found, I mean, terrace running is good, interesting in terms of, it again adds challenge to the mind. I mean, keep moving in a 16-meter loop. I mean, it's actually a 8-meter loop. Moving in 8-meter loop is a big challenge to the mind. As I told you, I mean, earlier, it's a mind game. So once you focus, once you set your mind comfortably on that, automatically your body follows and body recovers. Body again starts doing it on a daily basis. So now it's about 33 days now I've been running continuously, and I don't find any difference considering the earlier volume of running and I mean the volume I run now. I'm able the last month, I mean, I did about 200 kilometers a month. This month I'm set to do 250 kilometers. Gradual increase, gradual load increase, the volume, the pace, everything is gradually increased. So the COVID situation has given a new opportunity to learn. That's all. I have not lost my running.
You were running barefoot or in terrace?
I ran with a minimalistic footwear. It's actually a thin layer of footwear just to protect from, I mean, the small particles on the road or anything. So I use a minimalistic. It's almost equivalent to barefoot running, though it's not barefoot running, but we call that as a minimalistic footwear.